Hi, my name is Tichnell, and I'm down here at Meredith, and this is my 2-second thing improvement. Working here in the boiler room, everything's much higher with all the pipe, so it made it kind of difficult to get up and tighten my set screw and my jam nut for my beam clamps. So I took an idea from the sprinkler guys, and now we have this. And basically what it does is an extension, and now I can tighten my set screw and my jam nut, make sure everything's nice and tight. I'd like to thank Dan Sobel and Brandon Spangler for helping me fine tune this tool.